Alright, just got to the bowling alley. Looks like they're still bowling. Maybe entering game 8. We're gonna go check up on Mikey and see how he's doing. I think Kyle's bowling on the squad too.
Not feeling very comfortable, but it's early. It's the beginning of the tournament. We got a lot of time. Grinding is not in my genes anymore, I guess. In the positive last two, not quite that 100 over we were looking for yet, but we're minus 70 now, kind of grinding. Still not throwing great, but we're getting there. way back to 20 under. This game 7 is a little funky. Left lane's like 10 more. I got a double. Mentally, I'm good. Be alright. That could have been real bad. Real bad. Got to 34 under, and yeah, not bad for 100 under after 2. So made the climb, got a little bit back. It's not the worst thing in the world. We're just gonna enjoy the rest of the day, come back tomorrow, and now Chris is bowling. I don't know if we're gonna come back and hang out or what, but yeah, I'm starving. Let's get some food. I just gotta bowl better tomorrow. All right, Prater, how did we do?
I bowled really well. I couldn't knock all 10 down at the same time.
It was really hard.
Normally took 2 shots. Could have used 3 on a couple of them as well. Where did I park? I don't even know. I think
we were over there, I thought.
Yeah,
right?
parked over there.
Yeah, we're over there.
So, you know, just lots of 4 pins, lots of 9 pins, a couple 8 pins.
Is the score okay?
Plus 2.
All right. Oh, I got you by 1.
Yeah. Mikey snapped me off. I just, you know, no mismakeables. I made 4 splits today as well.
So big bonuses.
Yeah, it easily could have been 40 or 50 under.
We love that. All right.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, I'm just gonna forget about today. We're back at the house, by the way. Yeah, just gonna forget about today and move on because we're not gonna have to bowl in this pattern again for the rest of the year. So, yeah, 37 flat tomorrow. Probably urethane fest. Yeah, I'm gonna try to harness the urethane king mentality again. But if it doesn't work, we have some other options. So, yeah, we'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Bright and early at 8 a.m.